Anyway, moving on from that, it's me, Lino, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And today I'm going to do the same exact thing I did last time, a headlight restoration kit. But except I'm gonna do it on a Ford this time, because last time was my Civic, and this time it's my Ford. Well, it's not my Ford, it's my parents' car. Well, it's parents / brother's car. But I didn't know what to do, so this is the best I came up with. And Mario was like, yeah, like, it's a different car, so it's fine, like, then people can see like how it works on other cars. Anyway, so let's just get right into the video. Alright, so my feet are good. So I'm using the same, I forgot to explain what I'm using. I'm using the same products as last time. I got an extra pad with it, so I was like, why not? It's really cold outside. I'm freezing, like, you guys can't tell, but I'm freezing. I don't want to do this, but I already got the tape on, so I'm just gonna do the same process as I might only do one headlight, to be honest, because dinner's about to be ready. Or like I might like do both headlights, but it'll be nighttime for one and sunny for the other, like. So when dinner's ready, I might not finish it today, I might finish it tonight, I don't know. But I'm also planning on FaceTiming my friends, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna start the process now. I'm gonna start off with the cleaning solution, and then afterwards I'm gonna do the spray and wipe and everything. Alright. So this is what the cleaning solution product on. This is what it looks like. So I live in a neighborhood, and my neighbor just obviously I live in a neighborhood. My neighbor just he's a little kid. He just came by, and he has a bike, obviously, since he doesn't have a car to drive. And his bike has wide wheels, like very wide. I want to say wide. I don't want to say wide body, but they're wide. They're wide body. I don't even know if that's like the right term for it. And like, I never had a bike like that. I always wanted one. But yeah, he was showing off his bike, his wide wheels, wide tires, his wide tires. I forgot what that's called. And I just wanted to make it known because it was so cool. Low key, I'm not gonna flex, it was cool. Alright, we'll get back to this though. So this is after the cleaning solution, not after the... Thanks. Anyway, this is after the cleaning solution, not after the spray. So I'm about to spray this. And obviously these are not brand new lights. This car is very old. So these lights are not gonna, like, you know, come out 100% like brand new. But I mean, anything's worth it. Okay. But yeah, it looks a lot better now. So hold up, I'll just show you the before, which is the other one. Alright. This is a before, and this is somewhat the after. It's still got like the spray or whatever. You guys can kind of tell the difference. Kind of, not really. But yeah, this is the before. It's really foggy and cloudy, as you can tell. And then also, I haven't washed any of the cars, so please don't mind me. If you couldn't tell, I died. Like, I literally swallowed an entire spray. Anyway, this is after. I'm still missing one coat. And then before. Yay! Alright, so I went to eat dinner, and by the time I went back out, it was really dark. And I don't have any lights around here, so I didn't want to, like, you know, go back out. Plus, it's cold. Like, I'm pretty sure it's like 50 degrees. Anyway, so I just only did one headlight. I'm currently in my room, and I just wanted to close the video. So tomorrow I'm obviously gonna finish both the other headlight, or I might not. Like, I don't know. But clearly I just wanted to finish the video and close it off. But yeah, thanks for watching.